get my focus in. What's up, guys? We are back. We're in the Hollywood Hills today. Right behind me is a project we bought last year. We spent about 12 months getting some plans to renovate the project, and I'm gonna give you a quick sneak tour of it before we actually start demoing. Follow me while I show you through the rest of the home. So we're in the entryway here, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna blow this whole wall out and relocate the stairway on this side because we wanna create a bigger master, and I'll show you when we get up there. But for now, just imagine this whole area blown out, big chandelier coming down, and a lot of wide open space. As you can see, there's a lot of cool features about this room. The curvature on the ceiling. We're gonna blow this whole wall out, put two really big sliders here that'll create like indoor and outdoor space. We're gonna keep the fireplace. This entire wall we're gonna blow out. The arches are super cool, but we're gonna make it a little more modern. And this room here is actually the dining room. We're gonna blow this entire wall out and create a bigger open space between the dining room and the kitchen. This stair is gonna be gone. We're gonna completely relocate this to the other side and close this whole area off. So back when the original owners had it, they made this master. I don't think it's big enough for the house, so we're gonna make it bigger. Again, it's not as big as it should be, so I'm closing that area where you just walked up. Here's the bathroom. We're gonna blow this whole wall out that used to be a closet and make it part of the bathroom. And this whole entire area is gonna be a walk-in closet. We're gonna put the sinks on this side, the shower here. And here we are in the kitchen. For the most part, we're gonna keep it similar to the way it's laid out, aside from obviously getting rid of some of the granite that's here that was really popular back in the 90s, I wanna say. We're doing new cabinets, we're doing the sink. We got the wine fridge and the dishwasher on this side. We've got another slider here creating indoor and outdoor space. We ordered a Thermador range, which if you haven't ordered it yet, it takes about 8 or 9 months because of supply issues. So if you're ordering appliances, make sure you check in with your supplier early. Back over here, it doesn't look pretty right now, but we're gonna keep this as a laundry room. You have your washer, dryer, your sink, folding table. And over on this side, they used to use this as an office here. What we're doing is creating a staircase out of here, and we're gonna create a little small pantry in this room. All right, follow me. We're gonna go to the dungeon. So when we bought this place, it was actually a daycare center. It's really dark and dingy, which is great because we're gonna make this into a theater. So imagine this with the seating here, a screen on this side, a bar, and then back over here, we're gonna make another bedroom. We're gonna knock this wall out and make this into a bedroom. And we're gonna make this into the bathroom instead. We're gonna make all the bedrooms en-suites. Back when this house was built, you know, en-suites weren't a thing, but now you've gotta have a bathroom in your bedroom. So remember that, guys, if you're renovating a house, make sure you create a private bathroom for every room that you have. We're gonna break this wall down. This bathroom is going to be converted into 2. We're gonna cut it in half. And then we're going to bedroom number 3. Same thing here, guys. We're gonna create an ensuite out of this, connect it to the bathroom, and then we're gonna make the closet on this side. Let's head out to the back. Cool thing about this house, guys, it's a really big lot. It's got like 8,000 something square feet. And we also have a guest bedroom slash pool cabana. So we have a really nice pool area that, again, we're going to renovate and fix. And we're gonna create a really cool garage downstairs. Follow me as we head to the guest suites. So this would be the guest suites, guys. I know it looks really bad right now, and there's a lot of spider webs. But it's gonna be looking good after we get done with it. So this is what you call a fixer. Okay, so before we go into the garage where we're gonna make an auto salon, look at all the space you have right here. You can literally fit, I don't know, another 5-6 cars just on the side of the house alone, which is really rare for this area. And we're gonna step into what's gonna be the garage slash auto salon slash office space. Good space for somebody. You can put cars in here. You can make your office here. You can probably put two cars and a few motorcycles. All right guys, quickly running down the numbers on this project. We picked it up for 2.2 million. We're looking to put maybe 500 or 600 into the project, and we're looking to sell it for around 4 to 5 million. I want to say 5 million because it's going to be a really cool house after we're done, as you can see from the renders. So we're going to check back in with you in a few months. Thank you so much for watching. Back to the office, guys, back to work. Well, pool's still clean, so.
Yeah, there's.
Was that something on me? Is it?
I got it.
Okay. Wow.
I mean, it's on me now, but.